Hi! In this video we're going to look at the meter, tempo and rhythm of Setwork 6. That's the third movement from Electric Counterpoint by Steve Reich. Setwork 6 has a meter of 3/2, and that means that there are 3 minim beats in each bar. In section B there's a subtle change in meter. As the key changes back and forth from E minor to C minor, the meter also changes from 3/2 to 12/8. Now, if you're good at your fractions, you'll be wondering what's the difference between 3/2 and 12/8? Mathematically, they add up to the same value. However, in music, there is a subtle difference between 3/2 and 12/8. 12/8 is an example of compound quadruple time, which basically means you count 4 beats in each bar instead of the 3 beats that you count in 3/2. To understand this fully, click the link above and then come back when you've finished. But for now, all you really need to know is that section A is in 3/2 and that is a meter which is triple time. And then in section B, the meter keeps changing back and forth from 3/2 to 12/8. That's triple time to quadruple time. Unsurprisingly, from the title of this piece, the tempo is fast, with a tempo of 192 crotchet beats per minute. Rhythmic development is a major feature of this set work. We already know that the music is made up of lots of guitar parts layered one upon the other, and these different layers create lots and lots of syncopation and cross rhythms. Another feature of the rhythm in this piece is common to all minimalist music, and that is that it's very, very repetitive. The rhythms mainly consist of quaver patterns, but this is contrasted when the strumming guitar parts come in that play longer notes. And another feature that I want to mention before moving on is rhythmic displacement. This is where a rhythm is played somewhere, maybe on beat 1 or beat 2, on any beat, but later on it's repeated on a different beat, which changes the emphasis of the rhythm. So let's have a listen to the meter, tempo and rhythm of this set work. As you can see from the time signature, the meter is 3/2, which means there are 3 minim beats per bar, and the tempo is 192 beats per minute. Now, as we know from previous videos, guitars 1, 2, 3 and 4 and the live guitar are all playing one and the same ostinato, but as they enter gradually over time, they're introduced on different beats of the bar, and this is an example of rhythmic displacement. As you can clearly see from the score, all of the notes up until this point have been quavers, but at this point the live guitar then plays a contrasting rhythm on longer notes, and guitars 5, 6 and 7 also follow suit. Strummed chords emphasize the offbeats, and they add to the syncopation and the cross rhythms of the music. What happens here is a very subtle change of meter from 3/2 to 12/8, And just as the tonality modulates back and forth between keys, the meter also switches back and forth from 3/2 to 12/8. Here is try and count over the music so that you can hear what the difference is between 3/2 and 12/8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a... Okay, that concludes this video on the meter, tempo and rhythm of Setwork 6. Thanks for liking and commenting on this video, and click on the subscribe button below. Bye!